The coronavirus is one of the most common causes of the common cold we know of. So this virus with its spike is nothing new, and almost all of us have been infected with a coronavirus multiple times, sometimes even twice within 1 year. And so this is not a new virus. So, what happened? I think the interesting thing about it is the coronavirus normally causes mild or maybe even asymptomatic disease. Rarely will it cause a severe cold, but people get, colds that are worse than others, but that's about it. In terms of causing severe disease or death, basically, minimal to none. But somewhere along the way, this coronavirus adapted and became more infectious and became more deadly. Now, the exact biology or virology of that, is still being explored. Why is the coronavirus more contagious? Why is it more lethal? That is being played out. I mean, some speculation, for example, is that it's more infectious because the spike protein, when it binds to ACE2 receptor inhibitors on your cells, that binding is now better and it's easier for the virus to bind to your cells. And why it causes disease more than the original coronavirus, is still unclear. It may be that when it binds to your cells, the immune response to that binding may be different than in the old. However you get there, it's a much more lethal and much more contagious form of coronavirus. I think the interesting things that, we're going to find out in the next 6, 12 months and beyond is why is it more contagious than the other types of coronavirus, and why does it cause more severe disease and death? And that research is ongoing. I think it's certainly going to be related to some of it is going to be related to the body's immune response to this version of the coronavirus. But I think in the next 6 to 12 months, we're going to be getting some of those answers.